is Sajida Rashid here with BS Zoology 4th semester and BS Chemistry 4th semester, subject Animal Form and Function 1. As you know, in the previous lecture we have started chapter number 3 reproduction and development. Today आज हमने इसके last topics पे बात करनी है, that is male reproductive system, spermatogenesis and the female reproductive system oogenesis. These are very important long questions. Write a note on the male reproductive system and write a note on the female reproductive system. What is the difference between male and female reproductive system? What is the difference between spermatogenesis and oogenesis? Write a note on spermatogenesis and similarly write a note on oogenesis. So these are very important long question. कोई भी long question इस पे बन सकता है. सबसे पहले आज हमने डिस्कस करना है मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. So male reproductive system is the actually formation of sperm. It's also called spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process in which sperms are formed. So the reproductive role of human male is to produce sperm and deliver them to the vagina. Vagina is the female reproductive organ of the female. Two testes that produce sperms and male sex hormone, that is testosterone. That is very important MCQ. What is the male reproductive hormone? Testosterone. Male reproductive hormone, that is role in reproduction, that is testosterone. Accessory glands and tube that furnish a fluid for carrying the sperm to the penis. This fluid together with the sperm is called semen. So semen क्या है? एक ऐसा reproductive liquid है. Sperm, these are produced by the penis and then sperm for the functional, so it can reach to the vagina. A liquid fluid होते हैं जिसमें ये sperm जो हैं वो store रहते हैं. So इस fluid को क्या कहते हैं? Semen. Next, accessory ducts that store and carry secretion from the testis and accessory glands to the penis. So accessory glands are present in the male reproductive organ that will produce sperm and furnish the sperm so that this sperm will be function and reach to the female reproductive organ vagina, so that the process of fertilization will be fulfilled and complete. A penis that deposits semen in the vagina during sexual intercourse. So during the sexual behaviors, the male reproductive organ will transfer the sperms into the female reproductive organ and therefore the process of fertilization will be complete. The formation of egg and sperm and the zygote will be formed. So the process will be occur during sexual reproduction. Next, आज का जो हमारा second topic है, that is also very important, female reproductive system. Female reproductive system consists of a number of structures with specialized function. First of all, two ovaries produce eggs. The formation of eggs is called oogenesis and the female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone. This is also very important MCQ. What is the male reproductive hormone estrogen and progesterone? Female reproductive hormone estrogen and progesterone and male reproductive hormone is testosterone. Estrogen and progesterone pregnancy में help out करते हैं and these are the female reproductive hormone, sex hormone. Two uterine tube, one from each ovary carry egg from the ovary to the uterus. So within the uterus eggs are produced by the uterine tube. Every ovary जो है it will produce eggs by the process oogenesis. If fertilization occurs, the uterus receive the blastocyst and embryo development occur. अगर मेल के स्पर्म फंक्शनल हैं और फीमेल के रिप्रोडक्टिव आर्गन में अगर वो ट्रांसफ़र हो जाते हैं और देन फ्यूजन ऑफ एग एंड स्पर्म जो है सक्सेसफुल हो जाती है तो क्या होता है? जाइगोट बन जाता है. जाइगोट बनने के बाद एक ब्लास्टोसिस, एक कवरिंग होती है, एक झिल्ली सी बन जाती है. वो झिल्ली जो है वो जाइगोट की प्रोटेक्शन करती है, उसको मिसकैरेज होने से बचाती है, उसके वेस्टेज से उसको प्रोटेक्शन फॉर एक हार्ड कवरिंग बना देती है ब्लास्टोसिस, जिसमें जाइगोट जो है वो फुली एंड फंक्शनली प्रोटेक्शनली क्या करता है? ग्रो करता है. सो फिर एम्ब्रियो की डेवलपमेंट होती है, एम्ब्रियो फॉर्मेशन होता है. नेक्स्ट फर्दर प्रोसीजर जो है वो रिप्रोडक्शन के वो फुलफिल होते हैं. द वजाइना रिसीव सीमन फ्राम द पेनिस ड्यूरिंग सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. सेक्शुअल इंटरकोर्स, सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन बिहेवियर के दौरान जो वजाइना है इट विल रिसीव स्पर्म फ्राम द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव आर्गन एंड देन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन विल बी कंप्लीट. द एक्सटर्नल genital organs have protective function and play role in sexual reproduction. External genital organs of the female reproductive that also help in the sexual reproduction and reproduction of eggs and sperm to produce zygote, and baby development occur. Newborn baby is formed after the embryo development if blastocyst development is successful. Next, mammary glands contained in the paired breast produce milk for the newborn baby. Stimulation by mammary gland oxytocin. So there are many glands that will stimulate different function, reproductive function, respiratory system function, reproduction and growth function. So when fertilization is fulfilled and baby development is completed, after that mammary glands in the breast chest cavity will be stimulated and oxytocin hormone will produce milk production in the female mother, and then newborn baby will feed their mother. So this was our topic of discussion. I repeat it again, that is very important long question. Write a note on male reproductive system and write a note on spermatogenesis and female reproductive system and oogenesis. First of all, male reproductive system, the reproductive role of human male to produce sperm and deliver them to the female reproductive organ, that is vagina. Two testes that produce sperm and male sex hormone testosterone. That is very important MCQ के मेल का वैसा reproductive hormone कौन सा है जो reproduction में involve है? Testosterone. These are produced by testes and male reproductive organ. Many accessory glands, बहुत helping glands and tubes that furnish a fluid for carrying the sperm to the penis. So for the function of the sperm, a fluid will be produced. This fluid and sperm collectively will be called semen. ये semen क्या होता है कि fluid में sperms होते हैं और sperm जो हैं वो उनको moist लिक्विड इन्वायरमेंट दे जाता है ताकि वो फंक्शनल रहे और वो मूव कर जाए फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव आर्गन में. एसेसरी डक्ट्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं दैट स्टोर एंड कैरी सेक्रेशन फ्रॉम द टेस्टिस एंड एसेसरी ग्लैंड टू द पेनिस. एसेसरी ग्लैंड हेल्प आउट करते हैं स्पर्म के रिलीज में, स्पर्म के फंक्शनल में और देन नेक्स्ट फर्टिलाइजेशन के प्रोसीजर में. A penis that deposits semen in the vagina during sexual intercourse. Penis the actually male reproductive organ for reproduction, for the transfer of sperm into the female reproductive organ. Next, second long question. Today's second topic of discussion is female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of a number of structure with specialized function. First of all, ovaries are actually the female reproductive organ that produce egg by the process of oogenesis, and female sex hormone, that is also very important MCQ. Estrogen and progesterone are the female reproductive sex hormones. Two uterine tube, one from each ovary, carry eggs from the ovary to the uterus. Ovary will produce eggs by the procedure of oogenesis. After that, fertilization will be occur. The fusion of egg and sperm and blastocyst cover will be formed around the embryo. The vagina receives semen from the penis during sexual intercourse. During sexual behaviors, the vagina will receive sperm from the male reproductive organ penis, and then fertilization will be fulfilled. The external genital organs have protective function and play a role in sexual reproduction. After that, जब sexual reproduction में fertilization successful हो जाती है, then newborn baby की development के बाद after delivery the mammary glands will stimulate and produce oxytocin, and this oxytocin will stimulate the milk production from the female breast, and the newborn baby feed the milk of the mother. So this was our topic of discussion. I hope so you understand very clearly. These are very important long questions. If you feel any query, so you can ask question at Zoom meeting and on text. See you again in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Take care of you.